In today's video, pag-uusapan natin, dapat bang mag-workout kung may sakit? At saka share ko sa inyo yung game plan ko moving forward from an illness. Let's go! What's good, YouTube? Welcome back sa channel, Jacob Alava. And unang-una, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa inyo. Nabasa ko lahat ng messages nyo. Thank you for all the well wishes and for all the kind messages, guys. Sobrang na-appreciate ko, sobrang na-appreciate ng family ko. Sobrang grateful ko sa inyo kasi, guys, hindi nyo alam how much those messages meant to us. Not just to me, pero sa family ko. So, moving forward, we are better now. Sobrang thank you, everyone. Sobrang from the bottom of my heart, na-appreciate ko talaga. Alright, so with that being said, back to regular programming tayo. Kung bago kayo dito, my name is Jacob. This channel is all about fitness, health, and lifestyle. So, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and follow nyo ako sa Instagram. Kasi minsan nagpapa-Q&A ako dun and baka masagot natin yung questions mo through the Q&A. Alright, so today's video, guys, pag-uusapan natin yung dapat bang mag-training pag may sakit and yung game plan ko moving forward from an illness na pwede nyo na ring i-apply sa sarili nyo, lalo na kung let's say galing kayo sa isang illness, no? With that being said, ang unang tanong talaga is dapat ba mag-training or dapat bang mag-workout kapag may sakit? Sa akin, personally, let's say few years ago, diba? And hindi nag-i-exist ang COVID, pakiramdaman mo yung sitwasyon. Kung di naman masyadong serious yung illness, pwede ka pa rin naman mag-training or mag-workout. Depende rin yun sa pace mo. Pero nowadays kasi, guys, mahirap na eh. With this virus going around, I would highly suggest na if may, let's say, makuha kayong symptoms or let's say you're not feeling well, stop muna training. Okay, alam ko, medyo mahirap for some of us, lalo na yung mga sobrang ganado or sobrang maganda na yung momentum. Pero guys, isipin nyo kasi yung long run eh. So, if you are already feeling sick, ganyan, take a step back. Huwag kayo muna mag-training. Kasi hindi mo alam, baka mas lumala pa yung condition mo. So, sa structure ng video na to, i-share ko sa inyo yung mga ginawa ko versus yung mga plano ko moving forward, starting with training. So, nung peak nung illness ko, hindi ako nag-training whatsoever. Light stretches and light banded stretches lang ang ginagawa ko. Ayoko kasing ipilit eh. Ang COVID kasi, guys, for most of us, tatamaan yung respiratory system mo eh. So yung breathing, ganyan. So hindi ko pinipilit, hindi ko in-exert yung sarili ko. Kaya nag-cut off muna ako ng training, puro stretching lang ginagawa ko. Para lang rin to improve my mobility and my flexibility. Diba? Versus completely wala naman talaga akong ginagawa. So this was my recovery. Now, bago ako magka-COVID, yung training ko kasi, guys, was paakyat ng paakyat yung volume ng ginagawa ko. So ibig sabihin, pabigat ng pabigat yung weights ko. Tapos lumalakas ako overtime. Pero when COVID hit, syempre complete stop yun. So naputol. Moving forward, ang game plan ko is, hindi ko ibabalik exactly kung saan ako tumigil. Kasi guys, hindi kaya ng katawan nyo yun. Hindi nyo kayang magawa yung weight na ginagawa mo prior to nung nagkasakit ka. So, ang game plan ko moving forward is si-scale back ko yung training. Papakiramdaman ko muna. I will take it easy and hindi talaga ako mag-exert that much effort. So, magtitira ako ng mga 5 to 6 rep ranges in the tank, lalo na sa mga weightlifting exercises ko. Basically, kapa-kapa muna ulit tayo. This virus has taken its toll sa respiratory system natin. Kaya the best approach, lalo na to training, is to just get back to the similar movements that you were doing, pero i-scale back nyo yung intensity, i-scale back nyo yung bigat na binubuhat nyo and yung volume na ginagawa nyo. When it comes to nutrition, yung ginawa ko during COVID was, honestly guys, kinakain ko lang whatever was served. Kasi it was a very difficult time mentally to prepare meals and ganyan. Pero I made sure na nakuha ko pa rin yung protein intake ko. Okay, so I was targeting at least around mga 0.8 to 1 gram per lean pound of body weight ko. In that way, kahit pa paano, mapapreserve ko pa rin yung muscle mass ko as much as possible. Kasi ilang weeks rin ang walang training yun eh. So syempre mawawala yung muscle glycogen and all. Pero if your protein intake is within the 0.8 to 1.1 gram range, mas better yung chance na ma-preserve mo yung muscle mass mo. Versus kung hindi mo talaga pinapansin yung protein intake mo. Nung peak rin ng illness ko, sobrang dami kong kumain ng fruits, no? Kasi maraming vitamins and minerals yun. So from mangoes to oranges, to watermelons, grapes, apples, lahat kinakain ko na, di ba? Para lang maganda sa sistema natin yung vitamins and minerals na ino-offer ng mga fruits. Honestly, parang ito yata yung most fruits na kinain ko sa buong lifetime ko, no? Now, moving forward, when it comes to diet and nutrition, ang goal ko pa rin kasi in the long run is to bulk. I want to build more muscle. So, ang strategy ko is, again, I'll keep the protein around 0.8 to 1.1. Pero yung calories ko, slowly ko siya i-increase. Kasi syempre, from the illness, yung tiyan ko medyo hindi pa siya sanay to eating large quantities of food. So, ang gagawin ko is i-ease in ko siya. Try ko muna maintenance calories. Now, if nagagawa ko na yun, slowly i-increase ko yung calorie intake ko. Pero syempre, papakiramdaman ko pa rin talaga. Hindi ko bibiglain yung katawan ko with anything. Pero one thing's for sure, i-incorporate ko pa rin talaga ang fruits sa diet ko. Kasi medyo nasanay na rin ako and na-enjoy ko naman talaga ang mga fruits. So another factor yung sleep natin. Malaking bagay rin to eh. Sobrang underrated nito when it comes to building muscle or getting lean. Kasi dito nagre-recover yung katawan natin eh. So sagana ako sa tulog and sagana ako sa pahinga nung peak nung illness ko. No? So yung ginawa ko was most of the time nakahiga lang ako and nagpapahinga lang ako. Moving forward, I am aiming to get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep and quality rest. Kasi doon tayo magre-recover and doon tayo magbe-build ng muscle kapag natutulog tayo. Another important factor na usually nakakalimutan is yung stress level. Okay, so nung peak illness ko, stress levels were high. Pag mataas yung stress mo, mataas rin yung cortisol mo eh. So hindi rin siya optimal to start training heavy again. Ang goal mo talaga pag may illness ka is to recover as quickly as possible. It also applies sa work. No? Pag masyado ka sa stress, hindi talaga yan good for improving your body composition. So when it came to work and making vlogs, nag-stop rin ako konti kasi alam ko hindi ko mabibigay yung 100% ko. But moving forward, balik tayo sa vlogs natin and balik tayo sa work. Siyempre, ma-manage ko rin talaga yung stress levels ko. And last but not the least, yung mindset, motivation, ganyan. So, nung peak illness ko, honestly, it was tough, guys. Kasi, syempre, nag-stop lahat, tapos affected yung pamilya, di ba? Motivation and drive, syempre, wala. Kasi stop talaga yung training, no? Yung naisip ko lang talaga at that moment was gusto ko nang gumaling yung pamilya ko. Pero during these times, iniisip ko na yung comeback ko. So, pinaplot ko na siya, pinaplano ko na siya. Now na mas better ako and makakapag-training na ako, guys, super excited na ako to train. Pero syempre, again, hindi ko pipilitin yung intensity. Excited ako to go back to work. Excited ako to make content again for you guys because we're all feeling so much better. So, expect more content from this channel again. So with that being said, guys, gusto ko magpasalamat ulit sa inyo kasi sobrang na-appreciate ko talaga yung messages niyo and all. Moving forward, balik ang high-quality content sa channel na to. So expect more content from me and slowly update ko kayo on how things are going with training, nutrition, the bulk, and everything, no? So with that being said, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys in the next video.